Hello, everyone, and I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. So, today's topic actually, 2 3 days back, I was talking to some of my relative, and she said me that she's having problem in vision. Then long term, like she is suffering from diabetes for last 10 12 years, and she was like, now I am having some kind of blurring of vision, then not able to eat properly, or some complication she was having, which was not usual, not usually seen even after she was on medication for diabetes. So, but like she was worried about it. So then I advised her, yes, you should go for some certain tests again and then just check your sugar levels, whether they are normal or not, if they are not increased or it is not controlled, something. And then she got tested for HbA1c that came to be around 10. So that was uncontrolled diabetes, what she was having at that, even after the normal medication what she's taking. So these are very common mistakes which every patient can do, or they often do it. Like it's a chronic condition. So proper maintenance, everything has to be checked regularly. The sugar levels has to be have to be maintained properly. But what happened in the long course, there are certain complications which a patient of diabetes they encounter in their life at certain point. Somebody may have it at early age, somebody might have it later on life. So depends on the duration of diabetes, कितने टाइम से उसे उस पेशेंट को डायबिटीज है और कितने दिन से वो मेडिकेशन ले रहा है. सो दैट lands up in complications also. Gradually होगी complications. So today's topic is regarding diabetes complications we need to know. So why we need to know, I'll tell you. अगर हमारे दिमाग में ये रहता है कि ये complications हमें हो सकती हैं, तो what we'll do is we'll keep a check on it. So this is the only mantra to prevent ourselves from the complications of diabetes. So diabetes is actually a very hot burning topic everywhere. It's very common ailment which you can say every third person is suffering from diabetes. So diabetes, as we know, बहुत सारे हैं इसके types, type 1, type 2 and gestational diabetes. Gestational जो during pregnancy होती है, type 1 usually in childhood starts, type 2 in mid age it starts. In 2021, the data which was taken was that 537 million adults between the age of 20 to 79 years they had diabetes, and this number has increased to, just imagine this number now, it is increased to from 537 millions to 783 million. May increase, like in 2045 we are expecting this transition. And diabetes, it is actually it takes loads on the monetary issues also, like in diabetes healthcare expenditure in 2021 it is expected to be 966 US dollar, 966 billion US dollar. So that is the toll it is taking on our economic health also. So we all are aware with the basic symptoms जो diabetes के patient लेके present करते हैं. So they may have dizziness. They always initially they will start with polyphagia कि हमेशा भूख लग रही है उनको. Polydipsia, increase मतलब thirst, पानी पीने की बहुत ज़्यादा वो इच्छा होती है patients को. They present with confusion. They are always tired, lethargic. They frequent polyuria, frequent urination. Urine pass करने की urge होती है हमेशा. Then would they have infection which is not easily healed even after proper antibiotic. They present with weakness. They present with झंझनाहट होती है, tingling sensation in hands and feet. So now this discussion is just to regarding the complications which patient can have. तो हमें दिमाग में रखना है कि we can have cardiovascular disease. The leading cause of disease death in diabetic patient is your cardiovascular disease. Diabetics, they have risk of 2 to 4 times higher than the normal population to have coronary artery disease. Risk of stroke भी 2 to 4 times ज़्यादा होती है, और होने के बाद भी they have a higher mortality rate, death rate ज़्यादा होते हैं. Then peripheral arterial disease, they increases the amputation होती है, काटना पड़ता है limbs को. That risk is more than 10% in diabetics. Hypertension is always present in diabetics in more than 80% of individual. Then as I said, cerebrovascular disease के risk बहुत होते हैं. Patient can have risk of ischemic stroke or transient ischemic attacks. They have poorer outcome. अगर इनको ये stroke होता है ना, post stroke in patients की recovery बहुत slow होती है, and they have high mortality also. Then patient can have cognitive impairment, vascular dementia. So these patient needs to have regular carotid ultrasound for any stenosis. They can undergo MRI or CT scan of brain if stroke is suspected. Then diabetic retinopathy, आंखों पे, जैसे मैंने अपनी उस रिलेटिव के बारे में आपको बताया कि she was having some sort of like she's not able to see properly. So leading cause of blindness है in adult between 20 to 74 is this diabetic retinopathy. Then 35% of diabetics, they have some kind of retinopathy. So they can have your non-proliferative diabetic retinopathy, proliferative, macular edema. So it is required is annual dilated fundal examination by ophthalmologist is very important. Patient can undergo visual acuity test, fundoscopy, fluorescence angiography or OCT. So these regular check is required. Then this diabetes affect our kidney also. Patient can have long-term complication with diabetic nephropathy. So that is leading cause of your end-stage renal disease. So 20 to 40% of patients, diabetic patients, they can develop kidney-related disorders. So here what happens, there is glomerular hyperfiltration हो जाती है, damage हो जाती है. Screening में annual urea creatinine level should be checked, then EGFR should be checked. So ये patients को frequently कराते रहना चाहिए. Patient can have microalbuminuria, patient can have macroalbuminuria, so urine test, blood test, so everything should be done to assess. Then these patient diabetes के complications होते हैं neuropathy. So up to 50% of patients of diabetes will have neuropathy, and this includes your peripheral, sensorimotor हो सकता है, autonomic और focal neuropathy हो सकती है. So they can have Stocking glove distribution, pain, numbness. Then they can have gastroparesis, orthostatic hypotension, then bladder dysfunction. So in annually these patients, diabetic patients should undergo annual foot examination and autonomic testing also. Then foot ulcer. So ये बहुत commonly देखा था, diabetic foot करके भी हम present करते हैं cases. जैसे कि 15% of diabetics they can develop foot ulcer. So that is causing major cause of your morbidity and disability in diabetics. Then patient can have neuropathy, peripheral arterial disease, then foot deformities, and this poor glycemic control जो HbA1c आपको indicate करती है, अगर वो poorly controlled range में है, so that also contributes to these additional risk factors. So daily foot examination, proper footwear and podiatry care can help. So cleanliness that is required. But what patient can undergo which test? Vascular studies can be done regularly. और अगर कोई wound infection होता है तो उसका culture study के लिए भेजना ज़रूरी होता है. And X-ray can be done to rule out any bony infection, that is osteomyelitis. So these, as we all know, diabetics, they are more susceptible to any kind of infection. Maybe it is bacterial, fungal. So they have impaired immune response, and that is because of your hyperglycemia. So commonly patient को क्या होता है? Skin infections, UTIs. So they are the common infections which they have. So annual screening of influenza, pneumococcal vaccination can be given to these patients, and they should always be regularly monitored for any kind of sign and symptoms of infection. So other complications which can be seen in diabetics are your non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Patient can present with long complications with depression में भी जाता है patient. Then periodontal disease. So they can have regular liver function test. Depression they can consult the psychiatrist. Then for periodontal disease they can have regular dental checkups. Hearing loss they can go for audiometry. For cognitive dysfunction they can go for mini mental state examination. So these basically is the funda is कि we have to remember that yes, if I am having diabetes, so I can land up in these complications. चाहे वो neuropathy हो, nephropathy हो, retinopathy हो, these are long term complications जो over the years होती हैं. अगर मेरा glycemic index या HbA1c level जो है controlled नहीं है, even if it is controlled, but long term में ये सारे complications patient को कभी-कभी आ सकते हैं. Diabetic foot. So main crux is we have to early detect these complications and undergo for these management. So we have to go for a comprehensive diabetic management with a glycemic control. First important thing. We need to educate the patient and empower them that yes, they have to adopt. This is a lifestyle disorder, so improve your lifestyle habits. Go for regular walks. Control your glycemic index. And then importance of regular screening and monitoring, we have to inculcate that it is important to get your sugar levels checked very frequently along with your HbA1c level. Monitor your diet. So diet, exercise along with the anti-diabetic drugs. Maybe if patient is on insulin or metformin or any kind of diabetic drugs. So that has to be regularly followed up with the physicians. And then improve outcome we can only achieve through a multidisciplinary approach. And in fact, in diabetics, it is seen that blood pressure control and lipid management is also of paramount importance. So all these things should be kept in mind that yes, if I'm having diabetes, I can have these complications. And the main idea is to control. So to find out any sign and symptoms related to these systems, and if we are having a small sign and symptom also, we should get screened by physician or diabetologist. So prevention is the thing mantra which we can use for preventing ourselves from these kind of chronic complications. So thank you for your patient hearing. Kindly like, subscribe and share to my YouTube channel Patho with MK. Thanks a lot.